Hi students, in this video we will learn minimum basics in arithmetic. In arithmetic, first concept is number system. Mathematics depends on digits. What are the digits in mathematics? The digits are 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are digits in mathematics. How can you frame numbers? By using these digits we can frame numbers. So first, one digit number. One digit number will start from 1 onwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here these are digits. Totally how many digits are there? 10 digits are there. These are numbers. One digit number. Next, two digit numbers. Two digits numbers will start from 10 onwards. 1, 2, two digits. 11, 12, so on, and ends by 99. Next, three digit numbers. Three digits numbers will start from 100 onwards and ends by 999. Next, same pattern, four digit numbers will start from 1000 onwards, ends by 9999. Next, five digits numbers will start from 10,000, ends by 99,999. Here observe, one digit starts by 1, ends by 9. Two digits start by 10, ends by 99. Here the first one is, this is the smallest one digit and this is the greatest one digit. This is smallest two digit and this is the greatest two digit. Smallest three digit, greatest three digit. Here observe one pattern. One digit only 1. Two digits, 1 is common and 1 0. Three digits means here 1 is common, remaining 2 are zeros. Like that, 4 digits. Already 1 is there, remaining out of 4, 1 came, remaining 3 zeros. Same like that, if you want 7 digits. What is the pattern here you want to follow? 7 digits. One of the digit is 1. Remaining how many zeros we want to write? 6 zeros. So this is a 7 digit number, starting 7 digit number and ends by ending number. Here observe, 1 digit 1 9, 2 digits 2 nines, 3 digit 3 nines, 4 digit 4 nines, 5 digits 5 nines. So automatically 7 digits 7 nines. 7 nines. Here the starting is smallest number and the last one is largest number or greatest number. Here we can identify what is the smallest one digit number? 1. What is the smallest three digit number? 100. What is the largest four digit number? 9999. What is the largest 7 digit number? 99,99,999. Like this we can frame numbers by using digits. Next concept, how to read numbers. This numeration. In numeration, two systems are there. The first system is Indian system and the next one international system or million system. International or million system. First, in Indian system, what is the numeration? First, the first place starts by ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ten thousands, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. This is the numeration in Indian system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. In international system, first same ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, up to 10,000s, same numeration. After here lakhs is there, here we will write 100,000s. 100,000s. Next here 10 lakhs is equal to millions. 1 million. Crore is equal to 10 millions. 10 crore is equal to 100 millions. 100 millions. Here up to 5 places same. The numeration is given from down to top. First, in Indian system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. In international system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Here up to 5 places is same. Next, in Indian system, if 1 lakh, in Indian system, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 in international system. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. Crore, 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. 10 crores is equal to 100 millions. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000s. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. 10 crores is equal to 100 millions. Next concept, periods. Indian system, international system. Indian system, international system. In Indian system, 4 periods is ones period, next thousands period, next lakhs period, next crores period. Crores period. In international system, ones period, thousands period, millions period, billions period. What are the places in ones period? Here in ones period, 3 places will be ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period, 2 places, thousands, 10,000s. Lakhs period, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Crores period, crores, 10 crores. 4 periods in Indian system, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. In ones period, 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period, 1,000, 10,000. Lakhs period, lakh, 10 lakh. Crores period, crore, 10 crore. Coming to here, in ones period, same, ones, tens, hundreds. 3 places. Coming to thousand period, in thousands, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. In millions period, million, 10 million, 100 million. Next in billion periods, billion, 10 billions, 100 billions. Maximum we can use up to millions period. These are periods and places. Whenever we are writing a number name, first we want to separate them by periods. Take an example. By seeing immediately, we are not able to give the number name. First, we separate the periods by putting commas. First, in Indian system, what are the periods we learned? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. First, ones period. In ones period, how many places will be? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Next, thousand period. Thousands, 10,000s, comma. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. First, by seeing the number, separate the periods by putting commas. First, this is a ones period, and this is thousands period, and this is lakhs period. Now, simply we can give the number name. Here, 24 lakhs, 53,176. What is this number name in Indian system? 24 lakhs, 53,000. 53,176. In international system, first separate periods by putting commas. In international system, what are the periods we learned? Ones period, thousands period, millions period, billions period. In each period, three places are there. First, ones period. Next, thousands period. In thousands period, what are the places we learned? 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Three places. This is thousands period. And after thousands period, millions period. Now it is simple to write the number name. 2,453,176. 453,176. This is the way of writing number name in both systems. The first one is separate the periods by putting commas. In Indian system, 3 digits, next to 2 digits. In international system, 3 digits. Commas will come by 3 digits. Next concept, face value and place value. Face value and place value. Take an example. What is the face value of 6? Here, face value means at which place it is located. That means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 6 is located at 1,000 place. The 1,000 is nothing but a face value of 6. Here, 6 face value is located at the place thousands. That's it. Next, place value. What is the place value? How to find out place value? Here, place value means you want to multiply the digit with the face value. What is the digit here? 6 into what is face value? 1,000. 6 into 1,000. 6,000. For understanding purpose, I am giving like this. By seeing, you can say it is the face value of 6 is 1,000 and the place value is 6,000. What is the face value of 4? Face value is tens. Place value is 4 tens, 40. What is the face value of 9? Face value of 9 is 10,000. Place value of 9 is 90,000. Next concept is predecessor, successor. Predecessor and successor. Here, take a number. Predecessor means it is before number. Successor means after number. Let us take example 745. What is the predecessor of 745? Before number 745 before 744. What is successor of 745? 745 after 746. What is the predecessor of? What is his number name? First give comma 10,013. What is the predecessor of 10,013? 10,012. 13 before 12. What is the successor of this number? Just to check out the last digits. 13 after 14. Remaining all are same. 10,014. Take one more example. Here you no need to check out what is his number name, that all. Just check out what is in units place. What is units place? 2. Then what is the before number of 2? 1. Right? Remaining all digits is same. Now check out what is his number name. 3 digits, 2 digits, 9,73,462. Predecessor 9,73,461. Successor after 2 after 3. 9,7,3,4,6,3. 9,73,463. Suppose what I told, check out one's digit. Now here check out one's digit. One's digit is 9. 9 before 8. Predecessor okay. 107328. What about after number? Here 9 plus 1 10. 10 already here 20 is there. 30 29 plus 1. 29 plus 1 becomes 30. 1,07,330.